So here's how to create portfolio on Wix. But before we start, go ahead and click on my link down in the description to try out Wix for free. So as you can see, we're currently in the Wix dashboard. Click on Create New Site on the top right. You will then be taken to this page over here. Click on Setup Without Chat, or you can also click on Start Chat if you want to use the chat. After that, from the options here, select Portfolio. You can also choose Design Portfolio if you want, then click on Continue. After that, click on Design Site on the top right. Now choose from these options. Over here, you can see two options, Generate a design with AI or Customize a template. So I will select Customize for now. Once you're here, scroll through and click on Edit on whichever template that you like. And as you can see, the template is now opened in the Wix editor. Now, all you need to do is go through each page and customize it according to your preference. Put in your details and make your portfolio stand out. And once you're done setting it up, just click on Publish on the top right corner. You can also click on Save in order to save it for further customization. And that is exactly how to create portfolio on Wix.